So let's talk about Lovenox injections. Lovenox is a blood thinner that helps prevent blood clots. I prescribe Lovenox injections for all of my tummy tuck patients who are having their muscles plicated because the risk of blood clots in those patients is fairly high, and Lovenox reduces the risk of blood clots to almost zero. Most of the complications that happen from tummy tuck surgery are minor nuisance complications. Blood clots are really dangerous, so we do everything we can to prevent blood clots. So Lovenox comes in 5 pre-filled syringes. So when you pick up your prescription, you're gonna get 5 syringes. They're each gonna be individually packaged, and each one is gonna come pre-filled with a needle attached. So when you're injecting the Lovenox, because you've had surgery on your tummy, you can't inject it into your belly skin. You're gonna inject it into the fleshy part of your thigh. So you pinch up the fleshy part of your thigh, put the Lovenox syringe there, depress the syringe, and the medicine will go into the space just underneath the skin. Okay, so you are gonna take the fleshy part of your outside thigh, so pinch up like this. You're gonna put the needle right against the skin, punch through the skin, and then depress the plunger. And that's gonna put the medicine into the fleshy part of your thigh.